The all-parties Hurriyat conference has condemned statements by Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. While hiding the real situation of Kashmir, it is diverting attention from the harsh realities of India's occupation of the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesperson Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, criticized the Indian government's attempts to portray the volatile situation in the territory as normal through high-profile visits and propagandas. APHC, while rejecting the baseless claims made by India's Defence Minister Rajnath in an interview on the 8th of March 2025, claimed people of Azad Jammu and Kashmir have started feeling that their development lies in joining a country like India, said that Jammu and Kashmir is an internationally recognized disputed territory and that its final status must be determined in accordance with the United Nations resolutions. The minister, in his remarks, distorted the well-established historical facts that the Jammu and Kashmir dispute leveled baseless allegations and hurled threats against AJK Pakistan, said the statement. He said such statements aim to obscure the grim realities on the ground in Kashmir and reflect an old habit of Indian rules misleading their people. Jammu and Kashmir is part of Pakistan as per two-nation theory and aspirations of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, of which one part was military occupied by India in 1947, we believe it. Provocative statements by Indian political figures cannot alter the reality of Kashmir, the APHC said in response. APHC spokesperson Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas criticized the Indian government's attempt to portray the volatile situation in the territory as normal through high-profile visits and propaganda. These efforts, according to Minhas, are intended to disguise the ongoing suffering of the people of Kashmir, who continue to face repression at the hands of around 1 million Indian armed personnel stationed in the territory. He stated that the final status of Jammu and Kashmir must be determined according to the aspirations of the Kashmiri people. The Hurriyat further stated that the Indian administration is employing divide and rule tactics by fragmenting Jammu and Kashmir's population along religious, regional, ethnic and political lines to suppress collective aspirations. The people of occupied Kashmir, the APHC emphasized, have been fighting for their UN-recognized right to self-determination for the past 78 years and remain steadfast in their struggle. A resolution to the Kashmir issue cannot be based on regional or cultural factors, but must honor the political aspiration of its people, the statement stressed, reiterating that the Kashmir is a political dispute. The APHC called on the United Nations to pressure India into granting the Kashmiri people their inalienable right to self-determination as recognized by the global community and ratified by both India and Pakistan. Moreover, the Bharatiya Janata Party-led Indian government is facing severe criticism for undermining the secular fabric of Punjab by fostering religious and social divides for political gains. According to Kashmir Media Service, analysts and political observers are the opinion that since Narendra Modi came to power in 2014, Punjab is being pushed towards Hindutva-driven politics, sidelining the state's historical secular ethos and communal hegemony. Punjab, known for pluralism, has been facing growing polarization as the BJP continues to exploit communal sentiments to make its political foothold in the state. The imposition of the Hindutva ideology, coupled with policies that disproportionately favor one community while marginalizing others, has created an atmosphere of distrust and resentment among different religious and social groups in the state. Political analysts argue that the BJP's agenda revolves around weakening Punjab's distinct identity by interfering in its cultural and religious affairs. The party's effort to impose the Hindutva language and sideline the Punjabi language